Hello students, welcome back to computer practical class. Today my topic is creation of table in MS Word. Here we are going to discuss three topics: how to make table, how to enter data in table, and how to change the structure of the table. Before discussing all these three topics on the computer system, please give a look on this table. These horizontal lines are called rows and these vertical lines are called columns. Both these lines joins and make a table. Now we are going to start on computer. Now first step is to open the MS Word. Click on start button. Click on MS Word. MS Word application will open. Click on insert tab. Click on table. Here we are having two options, insert table and draw table. First of all, we will discuss about insert table. As we will click on the insert table tab, this dialog box will appear. Here you will see number of columns and number of rows. Both these we can increase or decrease as per our choice. I have taken 4 columns and 2 rows. Click on OK. Now look here, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns and 2 rows. Similarly, again click on insert button, then table, then on draw table. Here you can see the cursor has been converted into pencil shape. As we draw on the paper using the pencil, in the similar way we are going to draw a table on this paper in the same manner as we have inserted, same rows and same columns. Now second question is how to enter data in this table. Click where you want to enter the data. As the cursor is here, we will enter here only. Then next. Similarly, the above inserted table we can also enter data in the same manners. Here our 2 questions has been completed. Now the third and the last questions of today is how to increase, insert or delete the rows or column. Click on the row or column which you want to insert or delete. The last, here I am going to delete this row. Right click on delete cell, then entire row. OK. You can observe that the row has been deleted. In the same manner, I am going to delete the above inserted table column. Click on the column of the inserted table. Click on delete cell. Entire column will be deleted. Can you see the difference? I hope you might have understand the topic I want to make you learn. Now it's easy for you to write subtopics as well as the topics as we have discussed on your notebooks. Thank you.